Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, we're here at Masjid Sulaymān Bin Dawūd, Fox Hollis Road, York Road. Alhamdulillah, we're in the back hall. This is the rear hall. This was phase one, which we opened 4 months ago. At the moment, from here, 5 daily salahs take place, 3 Jummas take place, and this eventually will be for the sisters. So inshallah, let's go and have a look at phase 2. So brothers and sisters, this is phase 2. This has been completed, alhamdulillah, and now downstairs and upstairs we can accommodate approximately 200 people. Alhamdulillah, we opened yesterday and Jummah was jam-packed, hence the need for 3 Jummas, and in the holidays 4 Jummas. This is why we need phase 3 works to start immediately. Brothers and sisters, the estimated cost for this project is 2.6 million, out of which 1.1 million was the purchase of the building, and the 1.5 million is the renovation of the building. Phase 1 and phase 2 costs were 350,000. Alhamdulillah, we more or less raised this. But now we're looking at phase 3. The estimated cost is 1.2 million. This is an urgent appeal for your kind donations and du'as. So brothers and sisters, everything you've seen, phase 1 and phase 2, is up to here. As you can see, this is probably 20% of the building. Phase 3, the remainder, is such a huge building. So let's now go and have a look at the amount of work needed for phase 3. This is the first floor. This is where we'll have up to 7 classes. The madrasa classes will take place here, and also the adult classes. So with your kind donations, you'll get the reward of all those kids and adults studying here. So from here, this will be the access to the loft. The loft will be similar size to this floor. We're in the basement now. This has all been tanked and insulated. And inshallah, the rest of the basement will be the same. As you can see, the basement is huge and there's loads of work to be done here. In this basement, conference room, wudhū area, sleeping facilities. There's so much work to be done here. So please, this Ramadan, we need your help with your kind donations, inshallah. By next year, inshallah, this will all be complete. We're in the main prayer hall here. As you can see, there's so much work to be done. We've got planning, we'll extend out, and this hall will be square. This will accommodate a good few hundred brothers, inshallah. After opening phase 1 and phase 2, we are at full capacity. Hence the need for works to start here ASAP to get this up and running, inshallah. Brothers and sisters, we're at the front here, inshallah. This will be a 4-story building, and Ramadan is here now. So this is an urgent appeal. Please donate generously in this blessed month, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will multiply your reward. The hadith of Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam to the nearest meaning, where whoever gives in charity, his wealth will not decrease. So please, in this blessed month of Ramadan, we want this phase 3 to be complete. And inshallah, next year, we'll be stood here, praying Taraweeh here, Salahs will be taking place. The classes, children and adults will be taking place. So please, please, please donate generously. Jazakumullah khairun for your support. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.